The Query Builder is accessible from the Quick Guide, the toolbar, or the Send To action of the ER Diagrammer. To use the Query Builder, drag the tables from the Object palette onto the window. Existing database relationships will automatically be drawn. Next, select the columns you wish to include in your query. Columns can be removed from the select list by unchecking the visible attribute or by unchecking them in the table. Group by sequence can be set for each column by clicking on the column Group By in sequence. Grouping can be removed the same way. Where conditions can be added by invoking the Where Condition editor for any column. For columns with a lookup association, the lookup information is included in the Where Builder dropdown. You can review the query before it's executed by clicking on the Generated Query tab. If you need to make changes, you can send it to the SQL editor by right-clicking on the query. When you're satisfied with your query, you can execute it from the wizard bar or the Query Builder toolbar. By default, only the first 1,000 records were retrieved. This is a configurable option, so you could retrieve more or less. To retrieve all rows, right-click on the grid and choose Read All Rows. Notes can also be added to the details of the query. Adding the query to the project manager can save the query for future execution and use in the automation of project tasks. Double-clicking on the saved Query Builder file will load it into the Query Builder so you can execute it again.